My name's Kristin McGrath, and I'm the editor of Offers.com, and today I'll be sharing all the best ways you can take advantage of Amazon Prime Day. The Amazon app will give you deal alerts, let you know what's going on during Prime Day in real time, keep you organized, let you order from wherever you are, and give you shipping updates so you know when all the cool stuff that you ordered is going to arrive at your door. Amazon Prime Day may be a single event, but there are a lot of different types of sales that go on during it. You got your lightning deals, you got your spotlight deals, and you've got deals that just generally last the whole sale. So be aware of what you're shopping. If there's a literal clock ticking next to the item you want to buy, you only have that much time to snag that deal before it's gone. Amazon Prime Day isn't just about ordering cool products. You're going to find plenty of deals on subscriptions as well. In the past, Amazon's offered really deep discounts on Audible and Amazon Music Unlimited, and it's also known for offering discounts to Prime members who take advantage of Amazon Fresh or Amazon Prime Now during Prime Day. So if you were planning on using 1-hour delivery for the first time or Amazon Fresh for the first time, look for deals on those services. It might be a good time to try those out. Amazon owns Whole Foods, and so it offers Whole Foods shoppers some nice Prime Day extras. In the past, it's given shopping credits to Prime members who shopped at Whole Foods in the days before Prime Day. So keep your eyes peeled and plan your next Whole Foods shopping trip accordingly. You might get some extra shopping credits to use on Prime Day. If you're a Prime member and you reload your Amazon gift card balance, you get an extra 2%. So consider doing that close to Prime Day, and you'll have an extra 2% cash back to take shopping. During Prime Day, just say, "Alexa, what are my Prime Day deals?" and she'll be happy to tell you. Amazon's also offered special deals for those who shopped with Alexa in the past, so if you have an Alexa-enabled device, don't forget to ask what your deals are. Prime Day is a really intense event with deals dropping pretty much constantly, so it's a really smart move to know what you want in advance and add those items to your shopping cart. That way you'll see if they're on sale, if they're a good price, and you can buy them before they sell out.